Nobody likes to think about it, because at first it feels like a good thing. Prices fall, things get cheaper. It feels like you're saving money. But while everyone's celebrating the discounts, something dangerous is spreading. Companies earn less. They cut wages or cut people. Consumers panic, stop spending. And just like that, the economy isn't just slowing down, it's shrinking. That savings you've worked years to build, it's losing value even as it sits. Your income? Not enough to keep up. Assets? Dwindling. Others are already shifting, repositioning portfolios, locking in income, staying ahead of what most ignore. But most people are still watching the wrong threat. They fear inflation, yet ignore the risk of deflation, when falling prices spiral into lost jobs, lower profits, and economic collapse. Deflation risk is the hidden trap where your money doesn't just buy less, it means less. This is what's quietly eroding wealth across the world. Follow for more. Your future self will thank you.